Are you struggling to create hundreds of personalized school reports manually? What if I told you Excel and Word can automate this in a minute? Welcome to Albert Multimedia. Today I'll review how to master Merge for professional student reports. Teachers, stop wasting hours on reports. Let Excel and Word do the work for you. Today, I'll be taking you through how to transform Excel data into a polished Word report. Add smart grading. 80 is equal to A, 70 is equal to B, and etc. Free template include. So first, we need to add our Excel. So we need to merge the Excel with the Microsoft Word. So before, go to Mailings, click Mailings. Once you click Mailings, you go to Select Recipient, then click Use an existing list. We are going to look for where we save our Microsoft Excel. So in my folder, I have a YouTube folder on desktop. So school reports, open. So we select, so in case you have two more sheets, maybe sheet 1, sheet 2, you just select where you are going to import your database. So we select our sheet 1, okay. So once you click OK, we are going to install the names here and the positions, the marks, the class remarks in this column, exams remarks in this column, the total number of the marks, the grading, the position, and remarks for each subject. So first, I would like to make the total to be in red color and bold. Already bold. Position also in red and bold. Alright. Let me clean these two or delete these two. First, Mailings. You go to Insert Merge field. So you see here is the name of our Excel where we are going to import or where we are going to merge the Excel. So here is the name of the student. Name of student is here. Is there. Term. We click, go to main, set main. Terms, go to Insert Merge field. Click, you go to Terms, Basic, you go to Insert field and select Basic. If you want to see how the code is working, just go to Preview, Result here, just click on it, the preview, you see what you are doing is also working. I would like to make the name in different color. I would prefer red color. The term to be in also red, the basic to be in red. Yes. Number on row, delete this one. Mailings, insert number on row, position, so position will be the last here, overall position. Alright, so let's start with the subject. Class score for English, exam score for English, total. the grading for English, position for English. So this is how we insert the Excel in our Word. Remarks for English. Just check preview if what we are doing is okay. So now you can see there's a decimal here. In our Excel, we have only one decimal place. But in our Word, Microsoft Word, we have 15 decimal place. So we will put in some code to make it one decimal place. So let's finish with the inserting merge. Now on the mathematics exercise or class score, we have mathematics exam score, total for mathematics, position, remarks, science, so just keep on doing it in this way. Total for science, grade for science, position for science, then remarks for science. There is a mistake here. See, the total for mass has been appeared twice. It's supposed to be grade for mass. Yes. Next one is social studies. Exam score. Total for social studies, grade for social studies, position, remarks for social studies. RME, exam score for RME, total for RME, position for RME, the remarks. So if you want to see the results of what you are doing, just check on preview. Everything is okay. So for the decimal, you just deal with it. So you see this social studies, there's no mark there. So meaning for this particular student, there's no marks has been given to him. So we can just ignore. Once you update your database and insert the database or the Excel, it will be fixed here, or everything will be displayed for you. You don't need to enter anything again. So you can just check with the other student also this thing is working. If you want to know how to check for each student, on top here, career class score, career exam, total for career. The next one is the grade for career. Position for career. So I hope now you understand how to insert this Microsoft Excel merging with Microsoft Word to get your final report auto-generate for you. So you don't need to be typing manually. Here is position for career. Okay, career is here. Remarks for career. Ghanaian language. Class score for Ghanaian language. Total marks for Ghanaian language. Then the grade for Ghanaian language. Position. Remarks. Then last but to computing total marks for computing. Great. Remarks for computing. Then our final subject, creative arts. Then the last one, total marks for creative arts. Grade for creative arts. Position for creative arts. Then remarks for creative arts. Overall total plus overall total. So let's see preview. All right, so we have a lot to do. Also, we need to make this one a decimal, one decimal place. So what do you have to do? We need to insert, or we need to put in some code to achieve these results. So before we proceed, on your keyboard, press Alt plus F9, Alt F9, then your merge will be open with some code. You see make field English underscore CS, or how you see it. The moment you create, you see in the curly bracket there are some merge field. So in between the curly bracket, we are going to put some code over there, just simple code, not complicated code. Space slash hash quotation mark. So in between the quotation mark, put 0.0. Let's see if our code is being working. Check preview. Before you'll be able to see the result, just close Alt F9. So you see 40.9 is working. Now let's continue and do the rest of the code. Press Alt F9 again. So for me, I will just copy the code that I have typed to paste it in each cell. Let's see if the code is working now, because we are done inserting our code. Alt F9. Let's check the total, because some of them are not working. Okay, it's working now. Just click on the preview and you see your final results. Left with the total, we need to put the same code in the total also. The overall total, Alt F9. Once you are done with the coding, just click on the preview, close the code and click on the preview. You see now we have one decimal place. Perfect. So this is all about how to generate a terminal report for students within a few seconds. All the job will be done in the Microsoft Excel. Just put in the code or put in the class score and the exam score, the grading, the position, the remarks, everything is going to be done automatic for you, automatic generate for you. If you want this template, just comment below, then I'll DM you with this template for you too. If you want also the database template, don't worry, I will send it to you. Just comment, then I will send it to you. That's all. So if you want to add the attitude, we do the same thing. Just go to the insert merge field, then you select the attitude, interest, teachers remarks, then promoted, repeat the status. So now everything is perfect. So if you want to check each student their report, just click on the next record. It will display for you. Moreover, if you also want to edit, individual record or finish and merge, on your right side, just click finish and merge. Click on edit individual document. So if you want to edit all, just click all. If you want to edit some parts, maybe from 1 to 10, click OK. So here you can now edit each record. Example, if maybe the name of answer spelled wrongly, you just edit. So here you'll be allowed to edit individual record. So if the promoted is wrong, you just click and put promoted how you want it. If the marks was wrongly, that's how the individual record is being edited. Now, so here we are done with our database and the Excel. So this is the end of this database reports. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for my channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I post video like this, you'll be the first person to receive it. Appreciate for your comment and your likes. Bye bye. Ciao.